So, hello. In last episode, we successfully loaded the model into our game, but as you can notice, there weren't any collisions to it. Well, the collisions were for Moo Meadows, which isn't this track. This track is not Moo Meadows. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a KCL file, which means basically it's a fancy term for collisions. So I'm just going to create a KCL here. So this is one of the most simplest things you do. So you just create a new material with whatever colour you want, and we open up our browser and we go on the custom Mario Kart wiki, KCL flag, and right here we have all the things that we need. So road is OXOO, which is what we want. So if we want it to be normal road, we're going to put it OO_OOO. So this is for this, and if we shift and click it, it will automatically fill in. So now for the same, so we're going to look for wall, which is OXOC. So what we're going to do is just put OCOOO and then fill that in. And then 07, which is our what is it? It is our boost ramp. This one I might actually use a normal. Right, no, the bottom one right there I'll use for a jump ramp, like a slow one. But you can either have a double flip trick, a single flip trick, or a stunt trick. The stunt trick will make you go quite a bit slower. So I'm going to put 07 000. Put that on these. I actually probably should put them as a different colour. Now, it is very necessary to put the underscore before it, or else it won't work. And we're going to put a jump pad here. So all we have to do is go away, and then we have a few options. We have like the ones used in Bowser Castle 3, which are 50 kilometers an hour, and then a few faster ones like 59, and then the ramps in Mushroom Gorge, which are quicker. But I'm going to go with the Shy Guy Beach ones. We're going to want to put in off-road. So it depends on what you want. You have either got normal off-road, which is what we're going to use here, weak off-road, which slows you down a little, and then heavy off-road. So you can remember this on Funky Flame by weak off-road you can drift in, normal off-road you can only wheelie in, and heavy off-road you can't do any because you're so slow. So now we're going to go 03, because it's grass we're going to do 03 004. And just fill that in now. So we have got all our collisions ready. And yeah, we're ready to redo the track. So we do the same thing, we do OBJ exporter, and we'll do tutorial KCL, and save that. Now there's not really much need to export the textures, but oh well. What we're going to do is, there is OBJ to KCL files which we need. Here they are. So first of all, when we get into our KCL, we're going to name it just KCL.obj, and now we transfer these 3 files in, run the batch file. Once it's done, I recommend doing the new low-wall.kcl, as it fixes bean corners. If you don't know what they are, it's where you get if you drift like too tight in a corner, you get like pushed in, kind of. I can't really find a good way to explain it. Oh well. Anyways, now let's put this into our farm course. And yeah, now we're all good. So let's create this. So now let's give it a try. So you'll notice the start position is different, so you'll be falling for a little bit. But if we just forget that, and let's just get back onto the track here. We can now drive on our track, and the ramps will work. But you'll notice all this stuff in the air. And you'll notice that we go through the sky, which is no problem, because we will fix that. So you may be wondering, how do we fix that? Oh, it's simple. If something like that happens, you just move it. No other way to say it except just move the model a bit. So I will do that now quickly. Okay, right. So let's now try it. Also, we actually spawn in quite a good spot now, which is good. Oh, I forgot I have a cheat code on. Sorry, I have a bullet bill cheat code. Okay, we're not entirely within the skybox, but we're good enough. You'll notice that the ground isn't double-sided, and I will show you how to fix that next video, because I don't really feel that there's too much point now, because we're about to end. Yeah, so have made a functioning track. All the collisions and stuff have loaded, so now it's all good. Yeah, so now we've all done this. Come back in next episode for creating the mini-map and also fixing the one-sided road issue.